Do you ever wonder which products at Ikea are actually good, practical, structurally sound, and able to truly enhance your life? And do you wonder which products are poorly made, pointless, of no value to you? Well, thankfully for you, my brilliant engineer friends up at West Lafayette have begun determining these difficult answers for yourself. So we're revealing a sheep.
So the function of the sheep is it's a kid's toy, and you pull it apart, and it plays music, but it's dang near impossible to pull apart. And as Noah pointed out, it's not very comfy. Like if you squish it,
it's got like some pack on the interior here. Not very comfortable for children, especially infants.
Man.
I would not recommend purchasing the Leka. Maybe for $2.99 might be worth a pickup, but not for $5.99.
So what's the rating out of 42?
Out of 42, that's a tough one.
7.5.
7.5, I think, is a solid rating.
All right.
But
Product.
with rice, 10.
Yes.
Here we are, the Yeeper League.
So,
Tell me about it.
The issue with this product is when you put objects in it, these are they see what are objects in here before they even have to open the box. It's very unsafe to keep the belongings, especially valuable. So I'd rate this on a scale of 42, probably about a 6.
6. You know, you think it closes reasonably, but then, bam! You just can't win with the Yeeper League.
Think about this also. Someone breaks into your home, wants to beat you up. Boom.
Bryne.
Exactly. $20.
Bryne.
Someone breaks into your home, wants to punch you. Just bounce it off.
So out of 42,
40 out of 42.
wow.
That's a good
The
price.
Bryne scores a 40 out of 42, but it only costs $20. Here.
So we realized a flaw in our rating. It kills children, so we're gonna have to lower it to a 39.5.
39.5. All right.
All right, review it.
Reviewing.
All right, real talk. This is cool. I like this setup. We'll figure it out. But design flaw, right? This is Ikea. You could have got sued for this. Found this? It was like that, man. Little 5-year-old walked up, touched that, boom, dead. I saved you a lawsuit, Ikea. Thank me later.
So out of 42,
This is a solid 35. I don't know how this tool works. But with the design flaw, give it a 30.
30.